Hi guys, in this video I'll show you how to fix sign-in error on Microsoft 365. Like you're trying to log in and they're saying that your account doesn't exist. Now step one is just make sure that you're using the correct email, and if you're using the correct email, just go to if you are on the Chrome or any other browser, just go to these three lines, and from this section just go to history and click on history. And once you're inside the history, just click on delete browsing data. Go to this section and choose go to advanced, go to all time, and just clear all the data. Now if you clear all the data, all the cache, all the cookies, and all the passwords will be deleted that you have saved in your Chrome browser. Now make sure to delete it, deleting while this, that nothing gets deleted if anything is important. And once you delete that, make sure to restart your Chrome, and after that check if your issue is fixed or not. Now let's say that you are still facing the issue, so just go to the search bar on your Windows and just search here credential. And you once you write down credential, so you will see this app called Credential Manager. Just click on this app, and once you click on this one, so from this section go to Windows Credential, and go inside the Windows Credential. You will see you just need to find related to the Microsoft account. Anything, just find it, just click on it, and once you click on it, so you will see these two options, edit and remove. Now make sure to remove it from this section as well, and once you have removed it, make sure to restart your laptop or PC. Just go to window, restart, and once you restart it, hopefully after that your issue will be fixed. So that is a simple and easy process of how you can fix this issue. Now make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel if you find this video useful.